Hey, it's Emily, Super Sensitive Human, and you may know me from my gardening videos, among other things. You see my garden here behind me. Today we have a new toy in the garden, and that is an Olla, and I'm going to show you what an Olla is and how it works. So these are Oyas. They are porous clay irrigation vessels, and you basically bury them in the ground, fill them up with water, and the water leaks into the surrounding area, and that is where you plant your plants, and the roots of the plant can grow toward the Olla for more water, they can grow away from the Olla for less water, and it helps here in the desert with a lot of things, helps keep down on the surface evaporation from surface watering. You also don't have to worry so much about weeds growing on the surface of your soil because you're going to be watering underneath the top of the soil. And it's generally just an easy way to water less by keeping your water in a sort of slow trickling reservoir. So I'm going to bury these here and plant corn around them, and we'll see how that works. I've never done it before. And these are large Oyas. This is a large size that's supposed to go about 2 feet from the center. So I have 2 holes here that are about 4 feet apart, and I'm going to plant corn around each one, overlapping in the middle. Kind of supposed to be good for about a 4 by 8 bed, these large ones, and there's medium size and small size from this company. As far as I know, there's only one company that is really producing Oyas for sale. It's kind of like an ancient technique, but people sometimes glue together terracotta pots that are porous and use that. I like this a lot better, seems a lot easier and nicer, but it's expensive. This one, this size from Home Depot is about $30. You can order online from homedepot.com and have it delivered to your house, and it'll be free shipping if you order a couple of them. But if you get direct from the growoya site, it's a little bit more expensive. It's about $40 for the large one. So it's a real investment, but hopefully you can use them year after year, and you should take them out in the winter because they may get water in the clay and freeze and crack, which is annoying. But when you take them out, you can clean them off and make sure that they stay porous and leaking water where they're supposed to. So you might have to take them out anyway, even if they didn't freeze. So other tips, you want to grow only plants that have a sort of spreading root. You don't want to grow plants that have a single taproot with the Olla because they rely on the roots determining where the water is and growing toward it. And plants like carrots, beets, radishes, and parsnips, according to the box, are obviously not good for that. But most other plants, potatoes, melons, corn, blah blah blah, you can grow with your Olla. So here they are in the ground, and I need to loosen up the soil some more and plant my corn, and then fill these up with water. You're going to have to surface water your seeds, of course, until their roots get deep enough to reach the Olla water. So you're still going to have to do a little work, but when they get bigger, it should save a lot of watering. So I will give you an update on that in several months from now. In the meantime, be on the lookout for more garden videos and more videos about my life if you are curious about my life here in Central Arizona.